What up, though? Welcome back to my channel. I already know it's been forever, but I got y'all. I got a 5-minute lash tutorial right here, so stay tuned. So you're gonna need a couple things: tweezers, scissors, lash adhesive of your choice, spoolie brush if you need it, mascara of course, and last but not least, you're gonna need your eyelashes. And you can shop Lash by Libbi on the Label at Instagram or Shopify at LibbiOnTheLabel.com. So here I'm just pulling off my lashes. You want to gently kind of tug them down. You don't want to just rip it off. It'll mess up the lash. I'm going to measure the lash on my eye before applying any adhesive. Here I'm just showing you don't want to put it too far on the outside corner or inside corner of your eye. I'm going to go ahead and trim the beginning of the band so that it doesn't poke me in the eye. I'm going to trim where I measured that I need to cut at the end of the lash because my eye isn't that big, so I don't need the lash that long. This is a trick you need to learn to curve your lashes. I wrap it around my finger. I'm just going to go ahead and measure again. You can never measure too many times before putting the glue on, honestly. Just gonna brush my lashes up with the spoolie brush. Get it ready for some mascara. Gonna go ahead and prime my natural lashes with mascara. Get it ready for the false lashes. I like to use the end of my tweezers to apply my glue. I normally put my glue down on something, let it get tacky while I'm doing my makeup, and then I'm going to go in and apply a thin layer, not too thin. You want to make sure you have the edges with enough glue because you don't want the edges to poke up. They're the most pokeable parts. So now I'm showing you my trick. You want to place a mirror under your face so that you can look down into the mirror and see your natural lash line, which is where you want to place the false eyelashes. Here, for the sake of the video, I'm going to use a small compact mirror so that I can see better. I like to grab my lashes with my tweezers right at the lash band without touching the glue that I have applied. And here I'm just showing you where you want to apply the lash. And I'm going in for the kill, y'all. I swear, every time I'm about to apply my lashes, I start sweating or something. Just a little bit. Because it is hard. It takes practice. But if you do this trick, I promise you it's a million times easier. You want to, well, the way I do it, I place it in the middle, put the end, then the inside corner. Then I take my tweezers and I mash my natural lashes with the false lashes, as you can see me doing here. This helps for a more seamless look, I guess you would say. I like to take the end once I'm done doing that and just push it towards my lash line to make sure everything is connected. Once you do that, you can open up your eye and actually pinch it again. But pretty much your lash is attached at this point. The finishing touch will be applying mascara. This is what kind of blends your eyelashes and the false lashes together for the very last time to make it as seamless as possible. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed my 5-minute eyelash tutorial. Hopefully now you have more confidence in applying your own false lashes. If you like this video and you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, share my channel, comment on my channel, like this video, go like all my videos, and support your girl.